Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Starting a Shopify dropshipping store in today's environment requires focusing on quality, fast shipping, and smart marketing. Here's an updated step-by-step tutorial on how to launch a successful Shopify dropshipping store. Let's start with this first phase, which is planning and product selection. First, choose a profitable niche, passion versus demand. Just find a balance between the two. A successful niche has high customer interest, manageable competition, and offers a good profit margin. We also have problem solvers or wow factor, which you need to note. We also have research tools. Use Google Trends here to see interest over time and analyze social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram for currently trending products and communities. The price sweet spot is also key here. Secondly, find a high quality dropshipping supplier. The biggest challenge in modern dropshipping is slow shipping and poor quality. Your supplier is your business's backbone. Focus on speed and quality. Prioritize suppliers who offer fast shipping. We also have vetted suppliers or apps. We have in here this apps pocket, which is US or EU suppliers for faster shipping. We also have Zendrop, which is used for automation, fast shipping options, and branding. Another one is CG Dropshipping for global warehousing and product sourcing. Another key one is Shopify Collective. What you need to note is to also order samples first. Crucially, order product samples from your potential supplier to verify product quality, packaging, and actual shipping times before you start selling. Let's get to the second phase, which is building your Shopify store. So in here, set up your Shopify account. You just need to sign up or start a free trial on Shopify here. Choose a name and domain as well. Now go ahead and design and customize your store. Select a theme. Choose a clean, professional, and mobile responsive theme. Down here is a popular free theme that is fast and modern. We also have branding. Add your logo, choose a cohesive color scheme, and write an authentic About Us page to build trust. We also have essential pages. Create and link necessary pages. In here we have shopping policy. Just be transparent about shipping times. We also have refund and return policy, which must comply with local laws. We also have contact us, where you need to provide a clear email and or live chat option. Another one is FAQ, which you need to set up. We also need to import and optimize products. Now use an app. Use your chosen dropshipping app like this DSAS or Zendrop to import products to your store. We'll have custom product pages where you don't need to use the default supplier descriptions. Be creative and create yours. Another one is pricing. Set a competitive but profitable price. Now next, install essential apps. In addition to your drop shipping app, consider review apps, e.g. Looks, Judge.me to import or collect and display customer social proof. We also have email marketing, e.g. Klaviyo or Omnisend for abandoned cart recovery and customer relationship building. We also have optimization, e.g. for speed, SEO, or upselling. Let's get to the third phase, which is marketing and scaling. First, you need to drive targeted traffic. The goal is to get your product in front of the right audience. So we have this strategy for that. Paid ads. Use TikTok or Meta for that. We also have organic content. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Just create short, entertaining, or problem solving content around your niche and product to drive free traffic. We also have search engine optimization, that is SEO, where we have this platform which is Google and Bing. Another key strategy is influencer marketing. The platform for that is Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You can partner with the small or micro influencers in your niche to get trustworthy recommendations and reach a targeted audience. Now we can go ahead and focus on conversion and retention. Here we have trust signals. Ensure your store looks professional, has product reviews, and it displays clear policies and contact information. Also offer free shipping. Another key thing is to analyze data. Use Shopify and your ad platform's analytics to track conversion rate, cost per purchase, and your best selling products. And that's it. You also need to be responsive and own the experience. Just handle customer inquiries, returns, and refunds directly. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.